Let's answer a very common hypnotic question, which is, does hypnosis have any side effects? And to answer that question correctly, I first want to explain again what hypnosis really is. It's a state very similar to sleeping or dozing off or daydreaming, right? So then ask yourself, can there be any side effects of sleeping or daydreaming or dozing off? Because the answer to that question is going to be very similar to the question of, can you have any side effects after hypnosis? So the most people feel after trying hypnosis is going to be feeling maybe a little dizzy, maybe a little out of it, almost like you just woke up from a really nice nap. And sometimes in very rare cases, people report having light headaches maybe the next day or a few days after, which is still very normal, and it shouldn't be anything significant. And that's mostly because your mind processed so many new information that you didn't pay attention to before. With that being said, when you work with hypnotherapy, I recommend that you make sure that your hypnotherapist is experienced enough, educated enough, and knowledgeable enough to differentiate when they are crossing the lines of a psychological issue, medical issue, or a clinical issue. Because most of the times when we work with hypnosis, we actually do work with a lot of different issues that may interfere and cross the borders of medical and clinical stuff. And if we don't know how to handle them, we may actually end up hurting you more than helping you. So it's very important that you work with a hypnotherapist who is educated enough and knowledgeable enough to separate that and prioritize helping you more than having you as a client.